Hello guys, may hapon guys, no? Nakapalit na tag cellphone ni Kuya Bingkoy guys. Ako na niyato dun sa ilahang balay. Kaya ni-request siya na to gahapong adlaw guys, mo papalit sa cellphone. So karon Kuya Bingkoy ha, welcome kay Kuya Bingkoy. Narag imo ang request, imong gipangayo na mo mga vlogger o pinobling vlogger bisayan ta ko na imong cellphone amo ni atag look guys. I'm here in Quezon Park, Dumaguete City ni Quezon Oriental. Nga, ito ang mga talented guys na makikita, oh. Look guys. Doon sa na sila exercise ni guys.
Kapractice saya.
Kapractice saya. Wala ito ni Sir guys, oh.
Ha?
Ato asa ni Sir? Ito na natin, Sir.
6 foot.
6 foot?
Yeah, 6 foot.
Pera kaya na dyan.
I used to, but
They know is
yes.
wow, si Kuya guys, oh, dapat pag-basketball pero dancer higo. Katawtin mo Kuya, mangapon Kuya.
May hapon.
Yes, kini ang pinupling vlogger bisayin ako Kuya. So makita ka sa TikTok, kalibutan Kuya ha. Thank you so much.
Oh, ana.
Hello my friend, hello. Good
Why
afternoon
not
my friend.
food?
Yes.
I thought you were gonna do it live.
Yeah. No, you upload YouTube channel.
Already. So what is up everybody? My name is Sim.
Wait lang,
Wait lang,
Wait
guys. Wow.
Kumusta ka everybody?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine everybody. I'm fine.
What's your YouTube channel?
Yes, Dindo Abrensilio guys. Yes.
Oh guys, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I just used the skateboards. I don't have my bread. But
Okay.
yeah, okay. Salamat sir.
Salamat. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Hello guys, ang daming gwapo guys. Look. Wala ka gwapo ni mo Kuya. Taga sa ta Kuya?
Ha? Taga ano? Look.
Taga Look.
The barangay of the strongest people.
Strongest people.
I think in the Dumaguete.
Yes. Look rin yung Look. So not
Pero it is debatable.
yes. Thank you so much Kuya. Thank you so much. Ano gusto guys? Ang daming mananap diri, oy, ang daming gwapo. Hello guys. Hello guys. Ang daming gwapo, oy. Tingnan guys. Look, grabe guys. Oh. Kuya nagdulak ko guys. So naay mga kuan diri guys, oh. Naay mga chocolates. Oh. Ay nako guys. Thank you so much guys for the next video is explore tayo dito sa unahan guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.